Why does your scanner show the P0267 engine code? What does it mean? P0267 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 3, injector A circuit high. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's engine control module has detected a problem with the fuel injector circuit for cylinder number 3. Specifically, it signals that the circuit has a low voltage condition. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty or defective cylinder 3 fuel injector. Damaged wiring harness. Loose or damaged connector. Corroded contacts. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen, Volvo, Mercedes-Benz, Renault, Peugeot, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.